Hey Code Chasers, how are you? I hope you're fine and healthy. With that healthy vibe, we will start our video today. I am Madhu Lakshmana Tiketi. Welcome to our channel Code Chasers. In our earlier video, we saw what is a block and what is a replication in HDFS. And also, if at all we have a file of large amount of data, with the help of replication, how Hadoop processes that large amount of data, we saw it clearly in our earlier video. Suppose when we have a large file, Hadoop divides the large file into smaller blocks of data and process the file. The blocks will be arranged in data nodes. And also we have seen one major point, that is arranging those blocks in all data nodes in such a way that in future, if any of the data node fails, the other active data node should contain the blocks which were present in the damaged data nodes. In a nutshell, we have seen the optimized way of arranging the blocks of data in data nodes to overcome the damage. In this video, we will see what is rack awareness in HDFS, that is Hadoop Distributed File System. Rack is a container which contains 30 to 40 data nodes. But why the concept of rack awareness is there in Hadoop? Because it helps us to decide where a copy of data block should be stored. This part we will see clearly in detail. If we see an example of rack which is shown in the figure, there are 3 racks, rack 1, 2 and 3, and multiple data nodes are arranged in the racks. We know that the blocks of data are present in data nodes. Now here we have to see how the blocks should be arranged in such a way that in case of any failure, the data in all blocks should be recovered. We don't accept any loss of data here. To throw some light on the arrangement of blocks in data nodes, consider a block A which we arranged in rack 1. Okay, we need to remember one important thing, that is replicas of block A should not be arranged in rack 1 again, because what if rack 1 fails? Then the data which is present in rack 1 will be lost. If we arrange all the replicas of block A in rack 1, then all the data which is corresponds to block A will be lost. There will not be any other replica of block A in other 2 active racks, that is rack 2 and rack 3. That would be a major problem. So, to overcome this problem, we will consider the following arrangement of blocks as shown on screen. We have arranged block A in rack 1, right? Now, we will arrange the other 2 replicas of block A in rack 2. Hey Madhu, can we arrange 2 replicas of block A in rack 2? Just now you said the replicas of block A should not be in same rack. Good question, Code Chaser. All the replicas of block A should not be in one rack, but 2 replicas of block A can be present in rack 2, leaving at least 1 replica in other rack, that is here rack 1. I will explain it clearly by arranging all the replicas. Okay, let me arrange the replicas of block B now. 1 replica of block B is present in rack 2. The other 2 replicas of block B are present in rack 3. Now coming to block C. 1 replica of block C is present in rack 3. The other 2 replicas of block C are present in rack 1. Now to see whether this arrangement will suffice the damage condition, we will go back to the same example where the rack 1 failed. If rack 1 failed, replicas of block A and block C are lost, then the other replicas of block A and block C which are present in rack 2 and rack 3 respectively will come into action and allow the process to run smoothly without the loss of any data. The arrangement which is shown on the screen is one of the optimized, and we can assume any probability where at any particular time any of the rack among these three racks fails, then the blocks of data which are present in the damaged rack are lost, right? Then the arrangement which is shown on the screen is one of the optimized arrangement which can recover all the data which is present in damaged racks from the replicas of blocks which is available in the active racks. This is about the rack awareness in HDFS, that is Hadoop Distributed File System. I hope you understood the concept of rack awareness, and next video will be on reading file mechanism in HDFS, that is Hadoop Distributed File System. Please don't skip the next video. This is one of the important videos in our course, which will tell how the reading file mechanism takes place in HDFS, that is Hadoop Distributed File System. We'll catch up in our next video. One quick and important information. There are 3 courses running parallelly in our channel. Course 1, Python full course. Course 2, PySpark with Hadoop full course. These 2 courses are designed for beginners, and they are designed in such a way that a person who doesn't have any knowledge in any coding language can also easily understand the content in this course. So please do follow if you are interested. And the third course is Python interview preparation. This course is designed for those people who are preparing for Python based interviews. In this course, most frequently asked Python interview questions were taken, and they have been answered with live coding sessions for each and every questions if needed. So if you like my work, please do subscribe to our channel and like the video, and click on the bell icon to get notified about the updates of our channel. Thank you so much.